How to change currency on Airbnb. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can change currency on Airbnb. So let's get started. So first of all, you must have the application Airbnb installed in your device. If you have it, open up the application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Here again, scroll down and under settings, tap on the third option, that is payments and payouts. Now once you get into payments and payouts interface, if you navigate to top right corner, there is a button to change the currency. Tap on it. Now from this drop down menu, you have to choose the currency according to your preferences. For example, I will choose the Canadian dollar. And there you can see now the currency is changed in Airbnb. So that's how you can change currency in Airbnb, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.